Ladies and gentlefarts, welcome to another edition of my channel. I have here in my hot wee hands a slight modification on a GoPro battery charger. So someone gave me this, they had a number of them lying around, and they're handing them out as a power supply. Basically you charge it up and it's a wee power back for your phone. So I didn't have any initial need for it, and then I thought, oh, hang on a sec, it's got a battery, it's got power, you can charge it up. I bet you I can solve mankind's worst known problem, woman's kind, of potentially having a digital humidity sensor with an Arduino ESP8266, and I've managed to get the power out of this. It's sticking 5 volts out here, and it just goes straight into the back of the Arduino, because according to a web page, we can supposedly put in up to 20 volts. It's pretty cool. So that's what I've done. Now I have got the code, which I will put in the doobly link thing down there somewhere, and it is using a website called Thingspeak API, and you get a 30-day free trial, but I had it turned off yesterday, but day before that logging data, and you can hook up your fields to have a look, and also you can do some widgets. So what I've done with the humidity there. So really I'll need to put it in the dryer and do a run so you guys can see what it looks like, what the dryer looks like anyway. The clothes heat up and the humidity goes down in them. Let's say every man's worst problem is knowing when the clothes are getting near to dry. Now you can. Awesome, thanks Arduino, and thanks Speak Things. Yeah. Thingspeak, sorry.